In this video, I'm going to show you how to import chart of accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left, click on File, and from here you want to go to Utilities, and you want to hover over Import and click on IIF Files. Now, of course, for this you'll have to have an IIF file, so if you are exporting from somewhere else, you can go to Export, where you want to export your chart of accounts, and then you can do List to IIF Files. You can select Chart of Accounts, and then save that and export it. Now that file can then be imported. So again, as I showed you, import IIF files, click on it, and then over here, I'm going to click on OK right now. Now it's going to close all the windows I have opened in the back in the past. There's a lot of them right now, but we just have to wait for a few seconds. There we go. Now I can click on import IIF, and I can select the IIF file, which I have in my downloads folder. It's over here. I call this COA, so chart of accounts. Click on it and click on open. And whenever you do this, it's going to start importing just like that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.